Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Event Viewer right away. Press Win+X or type Event Viewer in Start and Run as administrator to access all logs. Once open, focus on the left-hand tree. Windows Logs holds application, security, setup, system, and forwarded events. Make sure to select the system or application log first to see common issues. While you click a log, the center pane loads events. This is where you begin triage and decide which event ID or time ranges to investigate next. Once you've selected a log, immediately apply Filter Current Log to reduce noise. Pick levels, error, warning, information, date range, and specific event ID or keywords. Next, open Suspect Entries and read the General and Details tabs. The XML view shows raw data you can copy. Make sure to note the event ID and source. Those two items let you search precisely and match patterns across machines. If needed, create a custom view for recurring queries so you don't repeat filters. To finish, export important events or entire logs. Right-click right arrow save all events as evtex for later analysis or to send to a colleague. Create custom views for ongoing monitoring and attach tasks to automate notifications or scripts when specific events occur. If you want centralized collection, configure subscriptions on the collector machine. Troubleshooting tip: if logs show nothing or events disappear, verify the Windows Event Log service is running and that the account you used has permission to read those logs before assuming data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.